Hey, welcome back guys. Now let's talk about how I can change the battery in this Honda Ridgeline key fob here. It works for these models 2017 and 2020 and you don't need any fancy tools. You just need only one battery like this 2032 and you can find this battery in the description and also a small flat screwdriver. And now when you're ready, let's begin with the tutorial. Well, the first thing you need to do is you need to turn this fob like this to the back, and right here you see this small button. Now you need to slide this button to this side, and when you slide it this way you can very easily remove this mechanical key over here. And when you remove this mechanical key, turn the fob like this to the bottom, and right here in the middle between these two pieces, right here in the center, you need to insert the tip only of the mechanical key. So take it and insert the tip only right here between these two pieces, and now twist it a little bit. And when you twist it a little bit, this will crack open, and this way you can very easily separate this fob into two pieces like this. Alright, now when you do that, right after that here you see your dead battery. To remove the battery, again, it's very easy. Just take the tip of the small flat screwdriver, insert it here, and push the battery outside. Now when you remove the battery, here in the same place, just install your new battery like this, and also make sure it's with the positive side facing up. So this step here is very important. And now when you place your new battery over here, these two pieces, you need to align them again perfectly. All corners have to match perfectly, and just snap them together, just like this here. And when you snap them together, right after that, take this mechanical key again and put it back inside the fob, just like in the beginning. And right after that, your key will be ready. You don't need to do anything else after that. It will just work fine. Okay guys, I hope you find this video useful, and take care.